Hi everyone, welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. In today's video, we're gonna doodle a girl, so let's get started. First, we're going to start with the face, so we're gonna make like a rectangle. Just like that. And now we're gonna draw the eyes. There we go. This is the nose. And this is the mouth. So that looks very cute. Now we're going to make like her hair. So she has braids. So we're gonna make a weird pattern on her, and like that. Connect this. Try to connect them so it's like it's actually braids. Now let's make the second one. This one got a bit longer, but don't worry about it. Okay, that looks fine. Now we're going to make like her dress, so we're gonna make random lines on the skirt, and these are the arms. Okay, so far it looks good. I wanted to give her like a scarf. Okay, now let's draw like the feet, like the legs. Her legs are long. She has socks on. And these school shoes. And yeah, that's it. Our drawing is ready. If you like this drawing, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!